Hello everybody, Transportation Euro here, and welcome to another Trains video. Today we're at Sheffield, situated on the end of the Midland Main Line Sheffield branch and the end of the Durren Valley line. Today at now arriving into platform 3BA is a terminating service from Leeds via Barton-on-Durn, and it'll be forming a service to Leeds later. Today at Sheffield station, you're going to be seeing stopping services by East Midlands Trains, Northern, Trainspotting Express, across country, and with any luck, some freight. It's a nice station here. Thank you for watching my first one, Trains at Worksop. So I hope this one is actually quite successful. So let's see what shall turn up here at Sheffield Station. Now arriving into platform 4A is a terminating service from Scunthorpe, formed of a class 142 pacer and a class 144 pacer. 142078, and on the rear, as it slowly arrives into the bay platform. Well, it's come from Huddersfield. 144015. It's come from Huddersfield. Now arriving into platform 8 is a terminating service from London St Pancras. It will form the fast service to London St Pancras in a bit. I don't know the number, I shall see when it departs. Now arriving into platform 1A is a terminating service. Never mind. Now arriving into platform 5A is the 10:05 Northern service to Nottingham from Leeds. 150215 on the front. That's a Sprinter, class 150, and on the back is a 142 pacer. I think that's 142036. Yeah, that 142036. I think we're going to get a train into platform 1A soon. Now arriving into platform 1A is a terminating service from Leeds via Barton-on-Durn. Thank you. 142090. Give us a nice turn and a wave from the driver. That's going to platform 1A, and then it'll go into sidings to set up ready for the next service. Now departing platform 3A is 1106 Northern service to Leeds via Barnsley. 144018, with its next stop being Meadow Hall.
11:11.
Now arriving into platform 6A is the 11:11 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport coming from Cleethorpes. Calling at Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Airport. Oh, and departing platform 2 is a empty coach stock to a siding just outside Sheffield, and I'll get ready to go to London St Pancras later on. We might see it later on, we'll find out. I didn't get the Transpennine Express number because the East Midlands Trains Meridian was in the way. Anyway, 222019 for the 5-car Meridian. Nice one turn. Arriving into platform 1B is the 11:10 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes via Doncaster, coming from Manchester Airport.
Express service to Cleethorpes.
I should be able to get the number for this one, because it's coming on this platform.
Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes.
We'll get the number when it departs. Now getting ready to depart from platform 1B is the 1 minute delayed to 11:10 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes via Doncaster from Manchester Airport. One 138. It will be calling at Meadowhall, Doncaster, Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes, with its next stop being Meadowhall interchange.
Service to Leeds. Call at Meadowhall, Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds.
Now departing platform 1B, 4B is the 11:13 Northern service to Leeds via Barton-on-Durn. 144006. I always thought it was 144015, but never mind. Also, a Supertram goes up above. Let's focus on train. He'll be calling at Meadowhall, Rotherham Central, Swinton, Barton-on-Durn, Galthorpe, Fernscope, Morthorpe, Fitzwilliam, Sunderland, Abrig, Wakefield, Westgate, Altwood and Leeds, with its next stop being Meadowhall for most services except for cross country. They go straight through platforms 2 and 1. Now arriving into platform 1B is the 11:18 Northern service to Leeds via Wakefield Kirkgate.
Cross country service to Glasgow.
It's an express service
Wakefield, Westgate.
calling at Meadowhall, Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds, formed of a 158 express sprinter.
Haymarket, Motherwell and Glasgow Central.
158 905.
And at-seat service with light refreshments is available on the train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. This is a safety announcement. Due to today's wet weather, please stay extra.
Now arriving into platform 1B is a terminating service from Briglington,
Wakefield
formed of another Class 158 express sprinter. 158861. Magna Carta 80, Lincoln 2015. The nameplate for the express sprinter.
Platform 2 of the 11:21 cross-country service to Glasgow Central, Hornet, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington.
Now arriving into platform 2 is the 11:21 cross-country Voyager service to Glasgow Central. And now departing platform 1B is the 11:18 Northern service to Leeds via Wakefield Kirkgate. It's come from Nottingham. 158 905. Next stop being Meadowhall Interchange, platform 4. Other end still says Nottingham. And I'll get the number for the Voyager when it departs. Now departing platform 2 is the 11:21 cross-country service to Glasgow Central, 220007. Next stop being Wakefield Westgate. This will be the last train of today's video. So if you like what you see and would like more, please subscribe and comment down below on what station you want me to train spot next, and what places you want me to bus spot or tram spot next as well. Drop a like on this video. Let's aim for 10 likes. My next station for train spotting will be Durren and Totley, which is just down that way. So I shall be doing that about this afternoon. Looks like Huddersfield says it's been cancelled. Oh well.